All right, moving on to number 4. This diagram shows Earth in its orbit around the sun when very little light is visible at Earth's south pole. Okay, that's a hint right there. Very little light is visible at Earth's south pole. What season is it when very little light is visible at one of the poles? That's going to be winter. Now let's see if that matches the diagram down here. The south pole, if you can tell, is tilted away. The north pole is tilted towards. This one's tilted away. So the southern hemisphere here would be getting winter, which means the northern hemisphere would be getting summer. All right. Which statement is true when Earth is in the position shown? It is August in the northern hemisphere. It is April in the southern hemisphere. August would be a summer month. That's true. But April is not a winter month. That's a spring month. So that one would not be true because April is not a winter month. G, it is summer in the northern hemisphere. It is winter in the southern hemisphere. That is exactly what we see. So this is going to be our answer choice. Let's just double check it real quick though. The number of hours of daylight is greater in the southern hemisphere than in the northern. Okay, during the winter, you don't have greater numbers of daylight hours. Remember, the days in winter are really short. If you remember, it gets dark at like 5:30 here in Texas during the winter. So the winter hours, which is what it is in the southern hemisphere, the number of hours of daylight would be shorter or lesser. That's not right. And spring begins earlier in the year in the southern hemisphere than it does in the north. Well, no, because it's not spring. Okay, so this is your correct answer choice here.